In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Commercial Bank of Qatar mobile banking app. First, make sure you have downloaded the official CBQ mobile banking app on your phone. Once installed, open the application. If this is your first time using the app, you will be asked to select your preferred language. After selecting it, you will reach the login screen. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap on the register option and follow the on-screen instructions to create one. For existing users, tap on the login button. Now enter your username in the first field. If you forget your username, you can use the Forgot Username option to recover it. Next, enter your password in the second field. You can also use the Show Password option to check if it is entered correctly. If you forget your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. Once both details are entered, tap on Login. After that, you will be asked to enter a verification code for security purposes. After successful verification, you will be logged into your Commercial Bank of Qatar mobile banking account. And that's it. You are now ready to use the app.